You are going to achieve the perfect chicken wings in under 30 minutes. I'm gonna make it as simple and easy as possible. So let's get her done. I'm gonna grab a couple of my whole chicken wings. And if you're new to this, trim off some of that skin. Flip the wing like this. Find the middle joint and just split in half. Now our wings are ready for service. I'm gonna start off by hitting the wings with this Nashville hot seasoning that I have. The seasoning mix has a bunch of salt, so I'm just gonna give these a quick mix. Now that it's properly seasoned, I'm gonna start hitting it with some flour. And right now, this wing is gonna start absorbing all that flour and drying out its surface. Once all of these ingredients are dancing together, I'm just gonna let the wings vibe on the side for now. I know I said we're making these in less than 30 minutes, but you think we're gonna sacrifice on flavor? Moving on, toss a little bit more flour in a bowl. For this operation, I'm gonna hit it with a little baking powder, more of that Nashville hot seasoning. And right now, I'm actually developing a tempura batter. For the production of our light and fluffy tempura batter, we are gonna be using some Canada Dry zero sugar. You just need carbonated water. Anything with sparkles in it. As you pour in the Canada Dry, you're gonna continuously whisk. Just whisk the goofy out of it until it's nice and smooth. Gosh. It's time to form our final dry batter. We're gonna do a little bit more all-purpose flour. And then we're gonna do the same exact amount in potato starch. So half flour, half potato starch. Hit it with a little bit more baking powder like we're Walter White.
You got one part of that wrong. This is not meth.
And again, for efficiency and flavor, I'm gonna go in with that Nashville hot. Every step gets seasoning. Officially, we have our 3 stations. I'm gonna grab our chicken wing, dunk it into our wet batter, pull it out. Now from there, I'm gonna go into our 3rd dry batter. With this method, you're gonna get a nice crackly wing, but it's not too thick where you feel like you're eating a whole pancake on top of your actual chicken. The oil's set at about 330. We're gonna deep fry, and I'm gonna drop in all the flats at once. Flats and drums cook at different times. You also wanna go in with your biggest pieces first. I want this oil to sit at about 325, and we're gonna only cook them between 6 to 8 minutes. After about 6 minutes, I'm gonna pull these out and put them on a wire rack. Time for the drums, these are gonna take 7 to 9 minutes. All right, hear me out. As this fries for 8 minutes, I clean. So don't come crying about,
oh, well, there's so many dishes.
it was 3 bowls and a pot, and a cutting board, and a knife, and then the bowl for the sauce. But still, it's not that bad. Drums are also now completed. And now I'm gonna let this oil heat up to about 365. The second fry is only gonna be for about a minute. And this way, if you're cooking several batches, you can make your chicken all at once and then just finish them off when you're ready to serve. And Chef John likes to say, fork don't lie. It's not even double fried yet. Hello? Time for the flats to get in their second fry. 45 seconds later, I'm gonna quickly pull these out and quickly in with our drums. Now, the second these come out of this fryer, I have a different Nashville hot seasoning that I'm gonna hit them with. And you wanna hit them with their hot so it actually sticks onto the chicken. And these wings are ready to take on any sauce that you want to give them. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss anything else. And as always, now Bismillah, I'm still fasting.